Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about the algebra basics for class 8. So first I want to tell you about the like terms and unlike terms. So the like terms are those which have the same variable and same exponent. You see the example here, these two terms, they have the same variable and the exponents are the same. So these are the like terms. So in this example it is the same, the variables are same and the exponents are same. So what are the unlike terms? The terms which are not like terms are called unlike terms. So in this example you see their variables are different and even their exponents are different. So these are called the unlike terms. So what is the degree here? So in the polynomial, this is a polynomial, and if you see the highest degree of the variable is 5. So the answer is 5. And if I want to know the degree of this term, so we have to add up all the exponents. So this term I add up these two, so this will be 5, this is 2 and this is 2. So the highest degree is 5 here. Okay, minus 4, that will be minus 12. Okay, so in this way we find out the their signs. Okay, so for the division here, suppose I have 12 upon 3 plus plus, both the numerator and denominator are plus plus, so the value will be 4, positive 4. So suppose I have 12 minus 3, these both are negative, so these minus will be cancelled and the answer will be 4. And in this way minus 12 upon 3, the value will be minus 4, and 12 upon minus 3, again minus value will be minus 4. Now we will see addition of arithmetic expression. So that we will do it in two ways, horizontal method and the vertical method. Horizontal method and the vertical method. So here if I want to do, so we have to group the like terms first. So 2a square plus 4a square plus b square minus 7b square minus 2ab plus 7ab plus 7 and minus, we have grouped the like terms if you see closely. Okay, so this will become 6a square, this will be minus 6b square, this will be plus 5ab, and this will be minus 2. So answer will be this. The answer will be same for both the methods, but the way will be different. So this will be 2a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 7. Okay, so now we will uh, uh, put the terms, like b will come here, minus 7b square plus 7ab minus 9. In this way we will do the add up for these two expressions. So this will become 6a square, this will be minus 6b square, this will be plus 5ab, and this will be minus 2. I hope it clears to you. Now subtraction of arithmetic expression, we will see it in horizontal and vertical method. Okay, so in this horizontal method, this subtract from this one, so this is a greater one. So first we will minus 8 minus 9 pq plus 17q minus 8p minus sine 4p plus 8q minus 8pq plus 3. So this will be minus 8 minus 9pq. We will bring all the terms together. First we will change the sign, minus 4p, we will open the bracket, minus plus will be minus, minus 8q, minus minus will be plus, plus 8pq, and minus plus will be minus 3. So this will be, I will bring all the terms together, minus 8 minus 3 minus 9pq plus 8pq, okay, plus 17q, I will bring minus 8q here, and minus 8p minus 4p. So this will be minus 11, this will be minus pq, this will be plus 9q, and this will be minus 12p. Okay, so the answer will be this one for this. Okay, this one will be the answer. Now I will do it in the vertical method, minus 8 minus 9pq plus 17q minus 8p 4p I will bring the like terms together. So 3 will come here, minus 8pq will come here, plus 8q will come here, and plus 4p will come here. So in subtraction it changes. I will do subtraction here. So minus plus, this sign is plus, so minus plus will be minus, minus minus will be plus, minus plus will be minus, and minus plus will be minus. So these two signs are the two new signs for doing this calculation, for this expression, solving this expression. So this will be minus 9pq plus 8pq will be minus pq plus 9q minus 12p. Okay, I hope it clears to you. Now we will see the multiplication of arithmetic expressions. So in this way we will solve it out. This will be multiply here, this will be multiply here. 3x square plus 4 3 will be 12x. This will be the answer for the first one. And this will multiply here, this will multiply here, and then this will multiply here. So the answer will be 4x cube minus 4x square y, and for minus 12x square. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so now I have to divide, this is divide, I have to divide this 9p square q square r. Okay, this is a divisor and this is a dividend. Minus 18p square q square r square plus 54p4 q cube r cube. So what term I should write here? So I will get that this term. So I will multiply it with minus 2r. So if I multiply with this first term, so that will be minus 18p square q square r square. Okay, so this will be 0. Now I will bring this term. I will keep this, I will put the plus sign here because I need the next term in a plus. So 54, I will bring this 54 p4 q cube r cube. So what I should multiply? So I get this term. So this will be 6 p square q and r square. Okay, so if I multiply this 6p square q r square with this, I will get 54 p4 q cube r cube. So remainder is 0 and the quotient is minus 2r plus 6p square q r square is the quotient. That is the answer of this question. I hope it clears to you. Now we will see polynomials. So now we will see the polynomial. The expression with only one term is called the monomial. So monomial is the expression with only one term. So 2x minus 5y 3z, these all are monomial. Binomials, they are the two unlike terms. 2x plus 3y is binomial. Okay, x plus y is binomial, pq plus 3 is binomial. Trinomial is an expression with three unlike terms, is called trinomial. X plus y plus 5 is trinomial. 2x plus 3y, trinomial. Polynomial is an expression with more than three terms. You see here, these are called polynomial. Now we will see arithmetic and geometric progression. So the sequences which include addition or subtraction operations are called arithmetic progression. So these, if you see closely, this is a pattern is given. So plus 2 and plus 2. Okay, this is minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. So these are called arithmetic progression, and this is also arithmetic progression, but this is in a subtraction. So for the formula is Tn equal to a plus dn minus 1. So if I want to check what is the first term, so in this a is the first term and d is the difference and n is the nth term. So if I want to find out the first term, T1 equal to a first term 11 plus difference is 2, n minus 1, 1 minus 1, so it is 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I want to find out the fifth term. So first term is 11 plus 2, 5 minus 1 is 4 here. So 11 plus 8, that will be 19, will be the fifth term here. Okay, so in this way we will find out for this expression also, Tn equal to a plus d and minus 1. So 1 2 3 4 5, I want to find out for the T6. A is 27, difference is minus 4, and minus 1 is 6 minus 1 is 5, equal to 27 plus minus 4, 5. So 27 minus 20, that will be, answer will be 7. Okay, so this will be 7 here. Now we will see geometric progression. The sequences which includes multiplication and division operations are called geometric progression. So if you see here, this is a, if you multiply 2 here, multiply 2, multiply 2, so this is a multiplication pattern, and this is a division pattern. 9 by 27, 1 by 3, 3 by 9, 1 by 3. So all are same constant value. So if I want to find out for the next term in this pattern, so formula for this is Tn equal to a r and minus 1. A is the first term, r is the ratio. So I will find out for 1 2 3 4 5 6, T6 equal to, I will find out for T6. First term is 3, ratio is 2, n minus 1, 6 minus 1 equal to 3, 2 to the power 5, so equal to 3, 2 to the 2, 2 to the power 5, 2, 4, 5, okay, 2 into 4, 2, 8, 16, 32, 32 into 3 is 96 is the answer for the next one. Okay, and for this one, if I want to find out for this one, so Tn equal to, if I 1 2 3, I want to find out for the fourth pattern, a r and minus 1. T4 equal to 27, ratio is 1 upon 3, and minus 1 is 4 minus 1 is 3, 27, 3, 3 and 3. This is all will cut, and the T4 will be 1. So I hope it clears to you. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.